Hello and welcome to this new video on my channel. And in this video I'm going to review this microphone from Røde, the Røde Videomic GO II. Let's start with the unboxing. As you can see, this is a lightweight directional microphone. You have a 2-year warranty. It is highly directional. It comes with a 3.5mm TRS output cable for your camera. It has a digital USB output and it is compatible with iPhone and Android. As you can see here, it's also certified for Apple devices and for USB-C devices. The box includes the microphone itself, a camera shock mount, a foam windshield and a TRS to TRS cable. Now I'm going to open the box. From now on, I will be talking to this microphone, so that you can hear how this microphone sounds like. This is also what the microphone looks like inside the shock mount. The shock mount also has a mount on the bottom for the camera or on the microphone arm, which is very handy. Actually, this is an on-camera mic, which means that you put this microphone on top of your camera and then start recording. But because this microphone also has a USB-C output, you can also connect it through other devices, such as your phone or your computer. You only need the separate cables for this. For example, for the Android phones you need the SC16 and for the Apple phones you need the SC15. I only have the SC16 because I already have another cable from the brand Mehr for my iPhone. This microphone also has no batteries, which is very convenient because otherwise you already have to make sure the battery is charged. What is also very handy is that you can monitor the audio with the 3.5mm output for when you record audio with the USB-C output. This is a highly directional microphone, which means that this microphone only picks up the sound from the front and suppresses the other background noise, giving you a beautiful sound. I also have an omnidirectional microphone and a cardioid microphone. Now I'm going to show you the difference. Now I talk with the Mehr BM2. Omnidirectional microphone. This microphone picks up the sound from all directions. Now I'm talking with the Fifine K669B microphone. This is a cardioid microphone which is similar to the Røde Videomic GO II, but it's less directional than this microphone, so you still get quite a bit of a background noise. As you can hear, the sound of this microphone is better than the other ones, partly because this microphone is highly directional, which ensures that the background noise is very much filtered out. This microphone also weighs only 89 grams, and it's very small, so you can take it anywhere. What is very nice about this microphone is that you can use software with it. the Røde Reporter, the Røde Connect and the Røde Central app. The Røde Connect is meant to connect up to 4 microphones together, which is very handy for a podcast or an interview. The Røde Reporter is meant to record audio for Android and Apple smartphones. There you can adjust the audio in the way you like it. This is how the Røde Reporter app looks like. You can adjust how loud you want the microphone to be. The Røde Central app is meant to take your audio to the next level by activate or deactivate all kinds of functions. This is how the Røde Central app looks like. You can turn a pad on or off here. A pad is an easy way to adjust the sound level of your microphone if you are recording a very loud sound source or talking at a very short distance from the microphone. With the sound level you can simply set how loud you want the microphone to be. A high-pass filter attenuates the low frequencies in your recording, reducing the amount of background noise. There are 2 filter settings. The 75 Hz setting is more subtle and the 150 Hz setting is more pronounced. Here you can turn a high frequency boost on or off. A high frequency boost amplifies the high frequencies. With direct monitor you can adjust how loud you want the sound of your headset to be while you are recording. You can also do firmware updates in the Røde Central app. Finally, the design. I think this microphone has a very nice design, as it looks very clean and compact. The shock mount is rubber, that you can use as cable management. And at the bottom of the shock mount is the part that you can attach to the camera or the microphone arm. And you can also move it forward or backward. This is useful because when you have a small camera, there is a chance that the microphone is in the picture, which does not always look nice. So it is useful that you can slide the microphone backwards. The shock mount itself ensures that vibrations are isolated. I also like the look of the windshield, which protects the microphone from air blasts as the windshield breaks up the air blasts. All in all, I think this is a really good microphone, especially because you get a really quality microphone for a considerable price. Because this microphone costs €110 and $100 in the US. I also like the fact that you can take this microphone easy with you, because of the light weight and the small size. I also like the USB-C output, because this makes it possible to connect other devices, like your phone or your computer, instead of just your camera. The apps from Røde also make sure that you can adjust all the settings of the microphone very conveniently, so that you can deliver the best quality sound. Thank you so much for watching to this video. Don't forget to visit my site, the link is in the description. Don't forget to leave a like and to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video, bye!